Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox this ASUS laptop. It's ROG Zephyris, so it's a Republic of Gaming. This one. So it's 1100 MSRP, so this one is 14 inch, comes with the Ryzen 7, 8 GB RAM, GeForce GTX 1650, 4 GB, and 512 GB SSD. This one is black. So it comes with one seal over here. Best Buy sent me brand new, quote unquote, with like this, with like broken seal. So it's not really black, it's like more gray. 14 inch. So let's check real quick what it comes with. So here we have some papers. This one seems empty. Okay, to charge. And here should be the other side. Okay, so they come separate like this. Okay, so now let's look at the laptop. Okay, so the owner asked me not to take it off the plastic, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks in plastic. So it says Zephyris over here. Okay. I have here Republic of Gamers. Okay. It's gamers. Okay. Next over here. Have two USB. This. Okay. Over here we have charging, HDMI. Another one, headphone jack. No SD card slot. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.